Welcome to the transformation from hell. When I say this deep cleaning and decluttering of this room really did me in, yeah, this one got me, man. Ugh. Y'all follow along to the end and watch how this thing come out. It came out real nice, but whew, let's get to it. I had to really hype myself up for this one here. Damn. All right, a major milestone. We got clothes sorted out, and we got a lot of trash picked up, and I'm happy about that. Dang. So it's just a matter of folding up the clothes, throwing those old clothes away, and getting into right here. This yeah, I ain't gonna make y'all watch me fold all these clothes, but I am gonna show y'all this magic trick. So whoever's still here and still watching, they get to see this pretty damn good, awesome magic trick. Watch it, right? Bam! Yeah, I know y'all gonna fight me about messing up y'all satisfying video, but I was hungry. Folding them clothes, folding them clothes do something to everybody. I think, man. I don't know. Them clothes been like right there on the floor and on my bed. Every time I wash clothes, I just can't get around to it. And they took some energy out of me, but I went and fixed me some Rotel dip. It's fast, it's good, it's simple, and I had to take an intermission break because again, I was tired and I ain't even did nothing but fold them clothes. So I know y'all stay at home mom, man. Whew, I know people be saying it ain't no job, it ain't no work, but I beg to differ. Look at me. Just look at me. Humped over like an old man, tearing them Tostitos up. Laundry don't beat the brakes off me. I could go out and drive tractors and rake leaves and cut lawns all day, but I'm fighting for my life folding clothes. All right, y'all. We made it to the finish line, baby. What y'all think? How it look? What I could have did different? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Yeah.